Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to break down some of my favorite things to do, which are spins. Here they are in slow motion. So I like to do what's called an X-plant spin, and when you do this, you want to step over. I like going to my left, so my right foot steps over my left, and you have to leave a little gap between your feet. Michael Jackson did sort of a similar move to this, but I modified it and kind of made my own over time, called the X-plant spin. Sometimes you'll go on your heels, your balls of your feet in the front, or you might spin completely flat, depending on the floor and the surface beneath you. Okay, when you spin, you want to learn to spot like a ballerina, and look straight ahead, find a focal point on the wall. You want to flex your core, your butt, and just a little bit so that you stay straight like this, okay? Practice always, and you will get better at these. Let me know what you think, and keep trading.